This thing is so annoying. Okay, first I want to give these people a shout out. She's my best friend. I love her. I love her so much. And she's so nice. Please go out and her YouTube channel is Filmstick MC. And and my best friend. Him. He's really kind. Okay, so let's pick all the main signs. And if you hear anything, it's the same. It's my brother. He's watching again on his iPad. Okay. And please add to tab for you. Okay. First it's going to tab for you. Thank you. Oh my god. No, she didn't. These are the shoes that came in the last pack. I had them, but I gave them to my face check. Thanks. Oh my god, thanks so much. Thanks so much to tab for you. I just can't have enough of it, because no one ever gives me. Okay, thanks for September. Thank you. Everyone's giving me black stuff. Thanks so much. Shout out to September. Go out happy. So kawaii. Hashtag Cinnabon. Daddy Horns, thank you. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you. So kawaii. Stacy. Oh god, thanks. Stacy, 520. Yeah, I'm gonna fix my outfit now. Lol. Anyway, the first thing I wanna tell you guys is that whoever gives me the most nicest gift gets Princess Toes and a gift. So please go add to me. And I don't wanna end this video, so I'm gonna go to the VIP club. She says hi. Shout out to Argon. Shout out to Lol. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Let's eat some potato. Oh my god, wow. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching. Bye.